G'day folks, Ben from Snowies. Today with a product Tiegear have come up with to make managing rubbish in the campsite really easy. This is a collapsible bin. Stay tuned, we're going to check it out. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is the Tiegear Pax Bin folded up. Weighs about 2.8 kilos, 65 centimeters this way, 40 across this way, and 5 or 10 centimeters depending on how tightly you fold this up. This is how you can transport it when you've got nothing in it and it folds out. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. This is an investment in a bin. It's probably the only bin you'll ever need for camping. It's going to last you a lifetime. It's made really well. I don't recommend you sit on it, but I'll show you shortly that you can actually sit on this bin. Now, it's made with a canvas. So this material here is a heavy duty canvas. You've got webbing around the outside, PVC on the inside, so heavy duty PVC vinyl on the inside to make it really easy to clean, and a durable zip around the top here. So no corners cut with this bin, and it's got an 80 litre capacity. So when you put a bag inside of it, you can fit a pretty large bin bag in there and zip it all closed. So easy to transport, great to go in a caravan because you can zip all your rubbish up, leave it inside the caravan, and this will sort of contain it all. Now to set it up, put it on the ground and it just concertinas out like this. It does have a base on the bottom there. So the base is also a canvas, but then on the inside, it's got a polyester or nylon lining inside there as well. And inside the bin, you've got this stiffened base here. It's got a little loop on one side that faces up. So when you go to pack it up, you've got something to grab hold of because this fits really neatly in the bottom here. So push it down into the corner and then just push the base so it sits flat in the bottom, and that holds it nice and rigid. This is all vinyl in here. So really easy to wipe clean should you get any dirty. Should you get dirt or any mess on the side of it. But you can fit an 80 litre bin bag in there up and over the top. Once the bin bag's in there, if you need to seal it up, you can just tie the bin bag on top, fold this over. It's got this sort of mesh top on here for a bit of grip, and then a zip that runs right around the outside of the bin here. 2 zipper pulls on there, so it seals it right up. And they don't say you can use this as a seat, but I just want to sit on it to show you that it is quite sturdy. I wouldn't do this a lot because it would probably slowly sort of loosen up a little bit, but it is quite a strong structure. So the sides of these are a good 3 to 5 millimeter thick. Now it does have a few extra features. Handles on the side here, so you can lift it up. You've got little molly straps in here, so you can attach, I don't know, you can hang spare bin bags or whatever you like on the front there, and also on the back too, little molly straps here. Now to put a bin bag inside here, which is what you want to do to keep it the cleanest, I've got an example here. Now this is probably, it fits neatly, a little bit tight around the top. I don't know what actual size this bin bag is, but I'm going to use this as an example. So this fits quite neatly over the top there. This is probably just a regular bin bag that you get from the supermarket, and it fits down to the bottom, so it's probably close to an 80 litre bin bag. So this fits quite neatly over the top, it stays secure. If your bin bags are a little bit big and you kind of need to hold them down on the side, or perhaps it's a little bit short and you don't want it to fall in, you get these little magnetic straps here. This has got a magnet in both sides there that just clips together. And this can be used just so your bag's bunched up a little bit on the side here. You can loop it through here or through one of the molly straps on the front here. Put a magnet on one side of the bag, magnet on the other side of the bag, and it's just going to stop it from collapsing in. So the kids are throwing stuff in there, the side of the bag doesn't disappear down inside here. And you get 2 of those, so you can secure it on this side. Probably good just to bunch the plastic up a little bit. Put the magnet on one side, let it clip on the other side, and it's just going to hold it. It's not super strong, but it's just enough to stop the bag from disappearing inside. Then once you go to move campsite or whatever, if you're packing it up in your caravan, just undo these, leave them attached, don't lose them. Leave it attached on this side as well. You can tuck the bag inside, tighten it up or tight if you like. Do this up over the top, your rubbish is nice and secure. So you get to your next campsite and then you can undo it or dump it along the way if you like. So this is an investment in a bin. If you want a bin that works, keeps your rubbish secure, is going to last you a lifetime, because as I said, this is canvas. This isn't cheap plastic material. It's canvas on the outside, it's PVC vinyl on the inside. You've got a durable mesh top on here. It's a really well-made collapsible bin It packs away when you don't need it. Tuck it away in a caravan cupboard or in the back of your four-wheel drive, or leave it set up like this to carry all your rubbish inside your caravan or inside your vehicle if you've got the room. That's the Tiegear Pax Bin Bag. You can check them out in store and online at Snowy's.